Hello, guys. Kosi Ojusi here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So we all know King Misuzulu, Inkosi yalapha KwaZulu Natal. So there's been my voice note la trend ako guys. Nga King Misuzulu athukana nasesi wakhe nomkhosi. So kulama video kuvakale inkosi King Misuzulu amthuka ngamake ambita that name enilizwile nani niyaliva mus ambita ngalo vele insulta very badly amtshela ukuthi get out of my sitting room, get out. So guys akuzange kwaba mnanzi, abengekho mnanzi nje. So manje isilo sesikhipha istatement sithi lama voice note onke lawa biza trendako it's just ukuthi bafuna kumbuyisa phansi, bafuna kumwisa bamkhiphe in the throne yokuba inkosi yakaZulu. Yo guys kuningi kuleya family, kuningi. So continue listening, continue watching. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Thank you for today. Bye bye.